Welcome. In this video, we're going to show you how to create pages within WordPress. So we're on our dashboard, and in the left navigation bar, we are going to click on Pages. We'll notice there is nothing found in here, assuming we've gone through and done the initial cleanup tasks when we first installed WordPress. That can be found in a previous video lesson. So we're now going to create our brand new first page. And we want to create a welcome page welcoming potential members to the squadron. So I'm going to click the Add New button. We're going to give the page a title, simply Welcome. And if you can type in Microsoft Office or type an email, you can type in here and update the page. It is that easy. Everyone's afraid of having to learn code to update the website. That's not the case in WordPress. We've made it incredibly simple for you. So we're just going to type a quick message. Welcome to the new if I can type right, flight. We are happy to be a part of the... And you go through and type your message in here. If you want to make something bold, all you do, you highlight it, click bold. You want to change the way, you just hit, you can enter, you can copy paste, just like you would anywhere else. We don't want that bold, so we can unhighlight that. We can insert links in here. Visit the Wing website at... Just by typing that in, it will not make it a link. But if I highlight it and click the little link icon and then the gear icon, I can type in www.miwgcap.gov. The link text, we can say is just the Michigan Wing website. And we can choose Open in a new tab. I can add the link. And now we can change our original text to, for more information, visit the Michigan Wing website. And we see that is a link to it. If I want to add a picture to this, all I do is come up to the top and click Add Media. We see the pictures we've already uploaded, but I want to upload a patch that's not in here already. So I'm going to click on Upload Files, select Files, and I want to upload the Cadet 75th logo. And I'm going to go ahead and choose, I want this as a full size, insert it into the post. And I can go ahead and hit Publish. If I come to my website now and refresh, nothing's going to show up because I've not built the menu bar out yet. So nothing's going to show up yet because I haven't built the menu bar. But if in here, I click on the permalink, which is the permanent link to this page, I can see that I inserted the picture along with my text and the link to the Wing website that opens in a new tab. Now in my case, I just grabbed a working version of the logo, and obviously you won't want all the background in that. So I'm going to grab a correct logo and we'll upload that and swap this out. Say, hey, I grabbed the wrong one, I just don't like this. Let's show you how you fix that. Okay, so I want to get rid of this picture, so I'm just going to click on it and click the X to remove it. So let's upload the right graphic now. So I'm going to come here to Upload Files. I'm going to choose the correct graphic this time, and we'll see it will open a second upload. Just a second, it should show up here. And then in the next video, we're going to show you how to go back and actually clean up your media library. So we got the correct logo now. We're going to once again insert it as full size, but no, that's too big for my site. I'm going to insert it as a large size, and we're going to insert it into the post. Well, that's too big for us. What the better solution is you make it too large. We're then going to click on it, and now we can actually drag and make it smaller. You always want to go from big to small versus small to big. So we're going to take it to say 600 by 600. Now that is still a little bit big for me, so I'm going to take it down a little bit more. I'm just clicking on the corner icons and dragging it smaller. We're going to call it, say, 450 by 450. So drag it to 450. Let's see how it looks. We're going to click Update now. And if I refresh my page, much better. We see that's the correct logo. It's looking good. And we can go ahead and start configuring the rest of our pages. If I come back to the page itself, we're good here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Pages, All Pages, and we'll see here's our welcome. We're going to create another page now. We're going to call this Contact Us. Now in Michigan Wing, we all use the same Contact Us page. All that data feeds back up to Wing versus contacting the local unit directly. That way, if the local unit's busy and doesn't have time to check their email, someone will reply to that potential member, that new contact, within 24 hours. And we have a form set up. We use an online form program called Wufoo. Some people like Google Forms. Some people like the forms built right into WordPress. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy paste the HTML text from the form into here. Okay, so I got my form copied. I'm just going to come in here to the text editor and I'm going to paste this in. If I hit publish now, it will take all that code, and if I view the page, it has now populated us with a Contact Us form. Again, we use Wufoo. It comes all up to Wings. Individual units, depending on the wing and their policies, might create their own Contact Us form. A Contact Us form is a much better way of doing it than putting just your email and not being able to collect all this information. So we see that in order to contact us, you have to put in your name, your email address, phone number is optional, what city you're in, and what interests you with CAP. We can then take all this data and run statistical analysis on it to see who is contacting Civil Air Patrol. Where is our new members coming from? Now I can go back in and just continue to create additional pages. There are 4 pages we recommend that every unit has. Welcome, Contact Us, How to Join, and Unit Meeting Location. So next we're going to do How to Join. Now once again, we have this already composited out on another squadron's website. And this code is available if anyone wants it. We're happy to share it. So I'm just grab How to Join. I'm going to grab the text and we're just going to paste it in. Now there's a few things that I'm going to need to tweak because this is a different squadron. It's not going to be Major Luke Rondo. It's going to be Major, we're just going to call him Bob Smith for now. And we'll just leave the phone number, and his email might be bsmith@miwgcap.gov. I hit publish. And now this page is done, complete with an interactive video. So in just a few seconds, we have now copied a source code over that now also contains a video and contact information for the local squadron. Perfect. Now we're going to do the last page, the 4th page. Mentioned there are 4 pages that are recommended. Welcome, How to Join, Contact Us, and Unit Meeting Location. Now with this, once again, we have created a template of this. So I'm just going to grab their squadron's information. And we'll just paste this in just for the sake of time. So in this case, the Bad Axe flight meets every Tuesday at the Bad Axe Airport. Insert address here. Now we want to go a step further. We actually want to put interactive Google Map into here. So I'm going to come to Google. I'm going to search for the Bad Axe Airport. Keep typing that wrong. And I'm going to come here to Maps. I see where the airport is. All I'm going to do, I'm going to come here to Share. And then I'm going to embed map. I can grab this link, just copy the link. I'm going to come back here into my WordPress install, and I'm going to paste. I'm just going to paste the link in. All I need to do now is hit publish. I can click on the link, and it didn't work. The reason it didn't work is I pasted this in the visual tab. So I'm going to delete this for a second here. And I'm going to paste this in under text. So under the text tab, which is your HTML editor, I'm now going to paste that in. If I update the page now, it should work. There we go. And we have an interactive map. Not switching to the text tab when you paste in a video or a map or form link is a very common mistake that happens when you start using WordPress. So visual tab is great for changing font, color, pretty much anything you can think of within adding links that you might do in a Word document. But when you actually go to embed something, such as embedding a Google Map or embedding a Google Calendar, you have to come over to the text tab at the top, and now you can paste that in. So we now have our 4 pages: our welcome, squadron meeting location, contact us, and how to join. And we notice at the top of the page we had a tab said how to join. That will automatically link to that new page we had just created for how to join. Join us in the next video, and we'll be taking a look at how to create menu bars for the website.